Hey y'all, last year I was growing potatoes in bags. Let me catch everybody up real quick. Last year I grew a garden using reusable grocery bags, and I started growing new potatoes from store-bought potatoes. I have a whole video on which potatoes I buy and how I get them to sprout like this. Decided to do it again. I've used the rest of Organic Mechanics compost blend that they had, and I added some topsoil to it. Then I just put the potatoes that I had showed you into that. Let me show you what it looks like, and it's just been like literally like a week. So I added those potatoes right into this bag, Organic Mechanics planting compost mix. I added some topsoil to it and put the potatoes that were sprouting in there. Look at that, that's the beginning part of where the potatoes are starting to grow, and the greens get larger and larger. You see them in there? But it was a good amount of the compost blend, and then I added the topsoil into it too. So I would say probably 70% compost blend and 30% topsoil. But you can see the greens right there. That's the greens that will start to grow from the potatoes, and they'll get larger and larger and larger. Eventually there'll be smaller potatoes in there. So I added some holes in the bottom of the bag. So just so you know, there are holes in the bottom of each one of these bags, but it's a great way to do this again, same way as I did last year of growing things in the reusable bags last year. I just was like, oh, let me keep these bags and use them and be more sustainable. See? The great thing about these bags are they're very, very heavy duty. Can't pierce it easily at all. So when I put the holes in the bottom, I knew that it would work because I had the experience last year of knowing that when the bags are better and just, hardier, this will work easier and it will last through the season. So I will link the information for the compost blend from Organic Mechanics. Thank you so much for supporting me this whole gardening season, but make sure you stay tuned and come back because I will share the whole progress. Okay, see you guys. Bye.